The elusive million-mile machines are a rare breed that defy all expectations. In a world where cars come and go and breakdowns are more common than reliability. Get ready to find the hidden gems that can take you on a million-mile journey without breaking the bank, and learn the secrets of these legendary automobiles. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and frugal drivers, get ready to embark on an adventure that will forever change the way you view used cars. Today, we invite you to join us as we uncover the secrets to finding cheap used cars that possess the astonishing ability to last a million miles. Imagine a world where a car's mileage isn't a liability, but a testament to its strength and endurance. In this mind-blowing video from Car Computer Exchange, we'll delve into the extraordinary realm of long-lasting vehicles, where age is just a number and reliability knows no bounds. From the mystical tales of beat-up clunkers defying the odds to the triumph of thrifty car enthusiasts, our journey will open your eyes to a hidden world of automotive treasures. We'll navigate the treacherous waters of online listings, unravel the mysteries of maintenance records, and unveil the signs that separate a true million-mile warrior from a mere pretender. So buckle up, aspiring road warriors and budget-conscious drivers, because the secrets to cheap used cars that will last a million miles are about to be unveiled. Subscribe now, engage with the content, and join us on this thrilling expedition. Your next reliable and wallet-friendly ride awaits, and this is one journey you won't want to miss. Lexus LS400. Picture yourself cruising in comfort and luxury, knowing your car is built to last a million miles or more. Enter the legendary Lexus LS400. Renowned for its reliability and opulence, this vehicle has become a symbol of enduring quality. In fact, there's even one LS400 on the list that boasts an impressive 3 million miles under its belt. What makes the LS400 a true reliability champion? It all comes down to the meticulous engineering behind it. Toyota, the parent company of Lexus, spared no expense in making this vehicle a formidable competitor to the Mercedes S-Class. The LS400 had to meet strict weight limits, employ top-notch engineers, including F1 technicians, and withstand rigorous testing. The result? A reliable masterpiece paired with a plush interior, offering you a ride that feels like floating on a cloud. Ford Crown Victoria. Now, if you're on a budget but still crave durability and that unique cop car vibe, let me introduce you to the Ford Crown Victoria. This iconic vehicle has been a staple for both law enforcement and taxi fleets for years. You can trust that it can handle whatever the road throws at it, as it was built Ford tough. Why is the Crown Vic a top choice for those seeking reliability on a budget? It all comes down to how it was manufactured. Ford designs this car to withstand the demanding usage of police agencies, and once those duty-filled miles were over, they were sold to taxi companies for a fraction of the cost. From there, smart buyers like you and me swoop in to grab these dependable machines for next to nothing. Plus, with the P71 Police Interceptor package, you get an upgraded engine, enhanced suspension, and a commanding presence on the road. Toyota Pickup. When it comes to utility and longevity, few vehicles can compete with a Toyota Pickup. This rugged workhorse is made to outlast the competition and withstand even the harshest conditions. Need proof? Top Gear put it through the ringer by sinking it in the English Channel, setting it on fire, and even dropping it off a building. Despite these extreme tests, the truck refused to give up. Now that's durability you can rely on. The Toyota Pickup, with its unmatched durability, is a practical choice for those seeking a reliable companion that will outlive them. These pickups are known for their incredible resilience, capable of clocking in hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. And the best part? You can find a clean, used Toyota Pickup for under $5,000, making it a cost-effective investment that won't let you down. Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! It's time for a quick mid-video check-in, where we make sure you're still with us on this automotive adventure. So buckle up and let's hit the brakes for a moment. Here's a question to test your attention span and keep you on your toes. If you had to choose between a car that never runs out of gas or a car that can fly, which one would you go for? Leave your clever, imaginative answers in the comments below, and let's keep this journey rolling. Toyota Camry, 4th generation. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't shout, "Look at me," with its exterior but subtly promises you that it won't break down in the middle of nowhere. The Toyota Camry, especially the 4th generation, produced between 1997 and 2001, is where you want to be. These vehicles were as basic as Lego bricks, with no extra features to compromise on dependability. Under the hood, you'll find a choice between a small V6 engine or an even smaller 4-cylinder, both of which are known for their bulletproof reliability. And guess what? They even offered a 5-speed manual transmission for the driving enthusiasts out there. Plus, with upwards of 25 miles per gallon, the Camry knows how to stretch a tank of gas. Lexus ES300. Now you might think Lexus and immediately imagine hefty price tags. But hold on a second. The Lexus ES300 is a hidden gem when it comes to reliability and affordability. While not as grand as its LS400 sibling, the ES300 still packs a punch in terms of longevity. Lexus actually listened to consumers during the development of the ES300, focusing on functionality and simplicity. The result? A vehicle that can withstand the test of time without sacrificing a touch of luxury. With the ES300, you're getting a car that has proven its unkillable nature, often lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with just simple maintenance. And the best part? You can snag one of these gems for less than $2,000. Talk about a bargain. Volvos. When it comes to safety, Volvo has always been at the forefront. But did you know that their old models were built to last as well? Take the Volvo 240 for example. These super bricks are known for their exceptional safety features and incredible longevity. Volvo 240s have been known to last 300, 400, and even 500,000 miles with relative ease. If you keep your eyes peeled, you probably spot a few of these old Volvos roaming around. And the best part? They're surprisingly affordable. You can get your hands on a clean one, even with some well-used miles, for less than $2,000. But wait, there's more. Enter the Volvo P1800, a true legend in the world of long-lasting cars. In fact, it holds the Guinness World Record for the most miles on any car in existence. 3.25 million miles to be precise. That's like going around the world 130 times. While the rising popularity of the P1800 has driven up prices, the fact remains that these cars are built to outlast anything. So, if you've got some extra cash to spare, consider investing in a piece of automotive history. Honda Accord. When it comes to affordability and reliability, it's hard to beat the Honda Accord. The 2002 to 2007 models in particular are known for their longevity and trouble-free miles. While they may not turn heads with their looks or even have all the bells and whistles of modern cars, they will get you from point A to point B without a hitch. Honda engineered these cars with a focus on reliability, and it shows. With proper maintenance, many of these Accords have racked up hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles. And with prices as low as $1,500 for a well-maintained specimen, you'll have plenty of cash left over to take a road trip and put those reliable miles to good use. Lexus RX. Are you tired of slipping and sliding during inclement weather? Fear not, for the Lexus RX is here to save the day. Combining luxury with reliability, this crossover SUV offers the perfect balance for those seeking all-wheel drive capacity. Lexus vehicles are renowned for their blend of luxury and reliability, and the RX is no exception. From harsh winters to off-road adventures, this vehicle has got you covered. And with its reasonable price tag, you don't have to break the bank to conquer those treacherous road conditions. And that wraps up our joyride through the world of practical, fuel-efficient, and reliable cars. We hope you enjoyed this exhilarating journey filled with facts, insights, and a dash of wit. But hey, don't let the fun end here. If you want to continue cruising with us on the road of automotive excitement, hit that subscribe button for Car Computer Exchange and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. We've got more revved-up content, engaging discussions, and witty banter coming your way. So buckle up, subscribe, and let's keep the wheels turning together. Remember, the road ahead is always better when we're in the driver's seat. Stay curious, stay passionate, and keep exploring the wonderful world of cars. Until next time, my fellow motorheads.